I can't believe myself that how many times that I've been open this type of bag, stitch bag. As you can see, you can find the rice bag and cement, etc. You can find this type of stitch bag. It's the same way how to open it. You just remember the trick. So in this video, I will show you the trick that too easily to remember. As you can see, most of this type of bag, they have two sides, okay? So one side is they have just show two lines here, okay? And then another side has one line only. So what you're gonna do, turn the side where the one line is, not the two line, on your right hand side, but it's my left, your right hand side, and that should be where to open that way. Let's see. This I open it without knife and scissors. If you have any scissors, just cut this side out and then just pull out, okay? But if you cut this side, pull out, it will lock. There we go. So now you just pull. So satisfying, isn't it? And there we go. You got it. Just remember to look behind, one line in front of that side, and start from this side. Cut this out and then pull it off. Okay? If you have scissors, if you don't have it, just do like me very slowly. Thanks for watching.